Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 Web X. So, if you're one of those who use AIPRM extension for ChatGPT, and all of a sudden it's not working, it stopped working, meaning it stopped displaying all of the prompts, and it's asking you to update or to come back later. um, well, I'm here to help you in this very short video. So, well, for some reasons, there are a lot of factors that is responsible for this, but we are not here to look at the factors. We are here to look at how to fix it. So to fix it, just go to your extension, go to your extensions, and then, go to your extensions, then I'm using Brave. You could be using Chrome or any other browser. Go there and remove it, and then come back to your extension and type AIPRM for ChatGPT, and then here it is. I've done that already. I've installed it, and once you install that, go back to your ChatGPT and refresh. Boom, it's back. The prompts are back. Okay, the prompts, the templates, and all that you see before is back. So that is how you fix this little AIPRM extension problem. So, like I said, there are many factors that are responsible for this, but the most important thing is that is how to fix it. And a bonus tip: make sure your browser is up to date. Okay, and I think it should you should avoid this. But in case your browser is up to date and you're still experiencing that, just follow what I just showed you, the steps I just showed you, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.